Today we're diving into the wild world of dollar store tech. I bought 15 different gadgets. Headphones, chargers, speakers, even some weird stuff I've never seen before. We're going to test them all, review them, and then I'm going to attempt to survive an entire day only using dollar store tech. Let's get started. Is it really all just useless junk? Or are there hidden gems for just a buck? This is a deep dive into ultra-budget electronics. We're pushing these products to their limits. First up, audio. The wired headphones feel like a toy you'd get out of a cereal box. The super bass claim on the packaging is ambitious. The sound is hollow, tinny, and distorts past 60% volume. It's the kind of audio quality that gives you a headache. The wireless earbuds are a step up. They actually paired easily. The sound has more body, but the connection is terrible. But then there's the mini Bluetooth speaker. And honestly, I was shocked. For its size and price, the volume is genuinely impressive. Honestly, sound quality is where dollar store tech struggles the most. But this little speaker is the undeniable standout. Next up, charging and power. This is the most critical category. A bad power product could be dangerous. The USB cables, painfully slow. The fast charging claim is an outright lie. They also can't transfer data. Useless. But the wall charger, this is the sketchiest item of the day. It feels hollow, has no safety certifications, and after just a few minutes, the power bank, however, was a surprise. It delivered a 25% charge. While the capacity claim was exaggerated, that's a potentially life-saving amount of power in an emergency. Some of these could save you in an emergency, but I wouldn't trust them daily. That wall charger is a fire hazard. Moving on to lighting and desk gadgets. The clear winner here was the USB LED strip. For a couple of bucks, it provides a fantastic aesthetic upgrade. Cheap, but surprisingly useful if you're on a budget. And finally, the random weird tech. This is where things get fun. This smartwatch promises notifications and fitness tracking. The VR headset is a headache machine, and the drone is a self-propelled projectile. Some items are just hilarious to test. And now, the punishment. 24 hours using only dollar store tech. My digital life is now powered by the cheapest technology money can buy. I survived, but at what cost? It's time for the final verdict. I'm ranking all 15 gadgets from the hidden gems to the absolute garbage. S tier, the mini speaker and LED strips, surprisingly good. They punch way above their weight. A tier, the power bank and phone stand, decent for emergencies and genuinely useful. C tier, the headphones, earbuds, and desk lamp. Meh, they technically work but are so compromised they're barely useful. And the trash tier, the dangerous wall charger, the useless cables, the headache-inducing VR headset, the deceptive smartwatch, and the chaotic drone. Do not waste your money. So after testing all this dollar store tech, here's my conclusion. Some of it is a total joke, but a few items are actually worth buying if you're on a budget. Would I recommend replacing your real gadgets with this stuff? Absolutely not. The performance, reliability, and especially the safety just aren't there. But as a fun experiment, this was a blast. And it's proof that even for $1, if you're very, very selective, you can occasionally find a hidden gem. Be curious, but be cautious, and never ever cheap out on something you plug into a wall.